Hey everyone, I'm excited to walk you through the process of getting a visa on arrival in this beautiful country of Egypt. Overview of visa types. Egypt offers two types of visas on arrival, a 30-day single entry for $25 and a 5-year multiple entry for $700. I'll break down the details for you, so you can choose the one that fits your travel plans. Eligible nationalities. First things first, let's see if you're eligible. If you hold a passport from the USA, EU, Japan, or New Zealand, you're in luck. You can easily obtain a visa on arrival. Airports providing visa on arrival. Now, let's talk locations. You can get your visa on arrival at several airports, including Cairo IA, Sharm el Sheikh, Stiti, Catherine, Luxor, Hurghada, and Borg El Arab Alexandria. Plenty of options to suit your itinerary. Requirements. The requirements are pretty straightforward. You'll need a valid passport with at least 2 blank pages, and it should be valid for at least 6 months from your arrival date. Plus, no need for a passport-sized photo unless you're from certain European countries. Visa cost and payment. When it comes to the fee, the 30-day single-entry visa costs $25, payable in cash only US dollars, British pounds, or euros. So, make sure to have some cash handy for a smooth entry process. Currency exchange advice. Pro tips. Exchange some currency before you arrive to make the process even smoother. It'll save you time and ensure you have the exact amount needed for your visa. Visa process. Get your visa through immigration. It's a quick and easy process. Just pay $25 in cash as no cards are accepted and submit your passport. You will get your visa on arrival stamped on your passport. Conclusion. Now you can enter Egypt and enjoy your trip. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Egypt-related content. Safe travels, and I'll catch you in the next one.